Wireless charging evolution, portable charger innovations. Title: Wireless charging evolution, portable charger innovations. Introduction: 100 words. With the increasing demand for portable and convenient charging solutions, wireless charging has emerged as a game changer. Gone are the days of untangling cables and searching for power outlets. Wireless charging technology allows users to power up their devices without the need for physical connections. This innovation has already made its mark in the consumer electronics industry and is continuously evolving. In this article, we explore the evolution of wireless charging and delve into the latest advancements in portable charger technology. 1. The rise of wireless charging, 200 words. Wireless charging technology has come a long way since its inception. The concept of wireless power transfer was first demonstrated by Nikola Tesla in the late 19th century but remained mostly theoretical until recent years. The ability to charge devices without physical cables or connectors seemed like a futuristic dream. However, advancements in technology and the increasing demand for convenience led to the birth of commercially viable wireless charging solutions. 2. Qi standard, an industry standard, 200 words. In recent years, the Qi standard has gained widespread popularity within the wireless charging ecosystem. Developed and maintained by the Wireless Power Consortium, WPC, the Qi standard allows for interoperability among different devices and chargers that support this technology. Major smartphone manufacturers, including Apple and Samsung, have embraced the Qi standard, making wireless charging accessible to millions of users worldwide. This standardization has been crucial in driving the proliferation of wireless charging technology. 3. Inductive charging, the first wave, 300 words. Inductive charging, also known as magnetic induction, was one of the earliest wireless charging techniques to gain commercial success. This method utilizes electromagnetic fields to transfer energy from the charging base to the device. The charging base typically consists of a pad or stand, while the device requires a compatible receiver coil to facilitate wireless charging. Inductive charging is efficient and reliable, making it a popular choice for smartphones, smartwatches, and other portable electronics. 4. Resonant charging, expanding the possibilities, 300 words. Resonant charging technology represents the next stage in the evolution of wireless charging. It improves upon the limitations of inductive charging by allowing for greater spatial freedom and multiple device charging. With resonant charging, the charging pad and the device can be slightly misaligned without a significant decrease in charging efficiency. This technology utilizes magnetic fields to resonate and transfer energy between the charger and device. Resonant charging is paving the way for innovative charging solutions, such as charging through surfaces like tables or countertops. 5. Portable chargers, innovations for on-the-go, 400 words. Portable chargers, also known as power banks, have been an essential accessory for users on the go. Wireless charging technology has now made its way into the realm of portable chargers, offering ease and more convenience and versatility. Numerous advancements in portable charger technology have emerged, bringing forth smaller, more efficient, and feature-rich options. One such innovation is the integration of wireless charging functionality into power banks. These power banks allow users to charge their devices wirelessly, eliminating the need for additional cable. They are equipped with Qi-compatible charging pads/stands and provide a compact and portable solution for users who prioritize mobility. Fast charging has also become a crucial feature in portable chargers. The ability to charge devices quickly is highly valued, especially in emergency situations. Advanced portable chargers now support various fast charging protocols, like quick charge and power delivery, ensuring faster charge times for equipped devices. Furthermore, power bank capacities have increased significantly in recent years. High-capacity power banks with large battery capacities have entered the market, giving users the ability to charge air devices multiple times before needing to recharge the power bank itself. This improvement is particularly beneficial for individuals who travel frequently or work in locations where access to power outlets is limited. Some portable chargers now even support solar charging, leveraging renewable energy sources while on the go. These chargers come equipped with built-in solar panels, which can harness sunlight to charge the internal battery. Although solar charging alone may not provide rapid charging speeds, it serves as a secondary charging option when conventional power sources are unavailable. 6. Future trends and challenges, 275 words. As wireless charging technology continues to evolve, several future trends and challenges are emerging in the portable charger space. One of the key trends is the integration of wireless charging into everyday objects. We are starting to see furniture, such as tables and desks, equipped with built-in wireless charging pads. This seamless integration eliminates the need for standalone chargers and allows for effortless charging in various environments. Another trend is the development of long-range wireless charging. This technology aims to wirelessly charge devices from a distance, without the need for direct contact with a charging pad. While TS technology is still in its early stages, it holds the potential to revolutionize the way we charge our devices by providing a truly wireless charging experience. However, there are also challenges that need to be addressed. One such challenge is the standardization of wireless charging across different device categories. While the Qi standard has gained significant traction for smartphones, there are still variations and competing standards in other device categories, such as laptops and tablets. Achieving a unified standard will be crucial for widespread adoption and interoperability. Another challenge is the efficiency of wireless charging. Currently, wireless charging is less efficient compared to traditional wired charging methods. The energy loss during the wireless charging process leads to slower charging speeds and higher energy consumption.